Hi, to switch between light and dark modes on your POCO F6, we will need to go in the settings first, and here scroll till you see the display brightness tab. And the first thing you can notice is light mode and dark mode. So in light mode, everything will be white and the text will be dark, and in dark mode reverse, so the screen will be black and the text will be white. Also, you can go in the dark mode options and enable this feature switch to dark mode, so your device will switch to dark mode around the scheduled time when you turn off the screen. And we have two options, sunset to sunrise or enable custom one. So here select the turning on time, tap the OK to confirm the changes, and do just the same for turning off and press the OK. And now you can turn dark mode on and off at scheduled time and simply leave this tab. Or if you would like to manually switch to the dark mode, you just need to tap this option and it would be enabled. And to reach this feature easily, you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and this icon is for enabling or disabling dark mode. When it's blue like that, then the dark mode is enabled. If you tap it again, then the light mode will be enabled and dark mode is disabled. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.